Okay, I will start the 12th one. Everyone see the 12th one. I am going to start the 12th one. Before a small adjustment I will do. Any problem is K means I will adjust. Okay. Okay, one time I will check network problem. It is coming, problem is coming. Network problem is coming. One time I will check. Okay. No network problem now. Whatever it may be, it is going on. Okay. Right. 12th problem. Everyone note down the 12th problem. First, you have to note down the 12th problem. What they are going to give, and you have to note down 12th problem. 12th problem is inequalities. Right. See the 12th problem, everyone. 6.3, 12th problem, we have to complete exercise today. So only 15 problems is there. 15 problems is there. We have to complete today. Okay. So 12th problem, write down, everyone. 12th problem should be noted down. X minus 2y less than or equal to 3. 3x plus 4y less than or greater than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 1. Right, everyone take the points, consider the equations first. Consider the equations, everyone. Consider the equation. First, consider the equation 1. So consider, so first equation is x minus 2y is equal to 3. X is equal to 0. Immediately write down x place is the 0. 2y is equal to 3. Y value is equal to minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to 0. Then x, y place is 0 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Write down the one table is. So one table is x, y. Y g, x 0, y value is minus 3 by 2. Y 0, x value is plus 3. One table is over. Everyone go through the second equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. I am writing x is equal to 0. 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, next, y is equal to 0. So 3x plus y plus 0 is equal to 12. X is equal to 4. Immediately write down table is x, y, x is 0, y is equal to 3, y is equal to x is equal to 4. One more table is completed. Right, last one, x is greater than 0, x is equal to 0 means y axis. In y axis, all values are of x is 0. Y is greater than 0 means y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 is the horizontal line. Horizontal line. Everyone should be horizontal line. At y is equal to 1, right? Everyone, now I take the graph. Everyone see, I am going to take the graph. First table I will write x, y. First table is 0 minus 3 by 2, 0, 3. First table. Right. Second table you should be noted down. Second table is the x, y. 0, 3, 0, 4. Next, one more E. What is the y-axis? Y-axis, right? One more E. Y is equal to one horizontal line. Horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay. I will draw the figure. Everyone see. Right. First one, I go to draw the figure with the negative sides also we have. Negative. Y is the negative side also we have. Y is the negative side also we have. Y is the negative side also we have. Right. First one, 2, 3, 4. Maximum is the 4. Here also 1, 2, 3. Maximum is the 4. 0. Y dash C minus 1 minus 1.5. Next 2 minus 2. Okay, minus 2. I will put minus 2. This is the minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1.5 minus 2. Okay, na? Right, substitute the points. Y is equal to 1 is the horizontal line. Y is equal to 1 is the horizontal line. So y is equal to 1 line. Y-axis make it as a thick. Y-axis make it as a thick. This is the y-axis, right? 2 points is over. Y is equal to 1 horizontal over. Y-axis is over. I will make it as a thick. Next, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Join these two lines. Join these two lines, right? Everyone join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points, everyone. Join these 2 points carefully. We can be scale, we can take and join very carefully. All right. So this equation I will write. What is the name of this equation is? This is the 12th one. 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. Next equation, next table, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3.5, minus 3 by 2 means 1.5, y is equal to x is equal to 3, y is equal to, join these two very carefully. Right. This equation is, what is the name of this equation is? Sir, cannot your video. Not seen, huh? Sir, what happens? I will see. We can see, sir. See now, what is the problem? Abhay, see? Am everyone seeing the video? Striking and burning, sir. Everyone see the video? Poor network, sir. Yes, sir. Now clear. They are telling now clear. No problem, na? All are clear, na? Amrish, clear, na? Any problem? No problem, na? No problem. Abhay, see one time. No problem, na? Yes, clear. Abhay, see one time. Everyone is still clear, sir, telling. Okay, now, Abhay? Okay. Okay. Everyone see? Right. Everyone draws it. What is the name of this equation? Name of this equation you can be write down. What is the name of that equation is? 12th problem. X minus 2y. X minus 2y less than or equal to 3. No horizon point. Take horizon point and check everyone. Horizon point take and check. 0 now. Put 0, 0. Right now put 0, 0 in the given inequalities. In given inequalities. In given inequalities. What is the given inequalities? Is the write down. Given inequalities. First equation is. Everyone see the given inequalities. So what is the first equation is? Right, see, one equation is the 3x plus 1, x minus 2y is less than or equal to 3. One more equation is the 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. And y-axis, x is equal to 0, greater than 0 is the y-axis, and y is greater than or equal to 1. And determine, write down that point completely. Determine this point is satisfied or not. Satisfied or not, you should be write down. First 0, 0 take. First concept 0 minus 0 less than or equal to is true. First equation is true. Second equation for 0, 0 see. 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 12 is the false. Right? Y-axis not necessary. 0, 0. So y greater than or equal to 1 also false. 0 is greater than or equal to 1 is the false. So what are the false equation? True equation is the only. This equation is the true. This is the horizon side. This is the horizon side. This is the horizon side. Right? This is the horizon side. Okay, now this is the horizon side. Next, remaining all are opposite to the horizon side. So opposite to the this line also opposite to the horizon side. Opposite to the horizon side. Opposite to the horizon side. This is also opposite to the horizon side. This is also opposite to the horizon side. This is also opposite to the horizon side. Okay, now what are the common is? See the common is. This part is the common. Okay, this part is the common. Common part. See everyone. This part only common. This part only common. Right? See. This part only common. Only up to this part only common. Not for this one, only upper. Y is equal to like that part only common. See one time figure is clear. 6.3, 12th problem. Very good. Correct one. Correct one. So this is not common. This line is not common. Okay, na? Up to this border only. Up to this border only. This is the common. Okay, na? Little sir. Little problem, Nishka. Nichal, what is the problem? Okay, na? This part is no common. This part is no common. This part is no common. So that little not there, sir. Shading part. This little is not there. This little is not there. Very good. This little is not there. Right. Everyone go through the 13th problem. Fast move towards 13th problem. 13th problem. Fast move towards 13th problem, everyone. 13th problem is, everyone see, 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60. Y is greater than or equal to 2x. X is greater than or equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 3. X, Y both are greater than y-axis and x-axis. Also given. Right, take the 3 lines only. You should take 3 lines. First, everyone see, take 3 lines only. Take 3 lines only, everyone. First line take and consider the equation. Consider first equation. 4x plus 3y is equal to 60. X0, Y0, write down. Table should be write down. X0, Y0, I am writing the table directly, but you can work out. But you should be work out. X0, Y20, Y0, X50. You should be work out, but I am writing directly. I am writing directly, but you should be work out. X place is the 0. So 3y is equal to 60, y is equal to 20. Y place is the 0. 4x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 50. Next, consider y is equal to 2x, x 0, y also 0, x 0, y also 0, x 0, y also 0. That means passing through the horizontal line, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Right, this point is the remember. Next is the x, third line, consider third line. X is equal to 3, so it is the vertical line. Right, these points I will take, I will draw the figure. These points I will take, I will draw the figure. Right, these points I will take, I will draw the figure. First one, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 20 mean 5 centimeters we can take 5, 10, 15, 20. This is the here also we can take 5, 10, 15 and 20. Right. Next, x is equal to 3. Here is the dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the 5. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm dividing the points. Okay. What is the given is C? What is the given point E? First x0, y20. X0, y20, y0, 50. Join these 2 points. Right. This line equation write down. What is the line equation is? 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60. Another one table is completed. Second table C. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. This type it is going on. upside is going on, right? This is also passing through the origin. This is y. This is y greater than or equal to 2x. Y greater than or equal to 2x. Next one. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Here only we can take x is equal to 3 is a vertical line. X is equal to 3 is a vertical line. X is greater than or equal to 3 is a vertical line. One point we can take. So origin we can't take. Other than origin, we take other than origin point. Other than origin point we should take. What we are going to select other than origin point is, here is select the 3 lines. All our lines is the inside. 1, 2 select. 1, 2, 1, 3 select. 1, 3 select. So the point now 1, 3. 1, 3. Put 1, 3. Now put 1, 3 in given inequalities. Given inequalities. What are the equalities? Is 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60. Y is greater than or equal to 2x. X is greater than or equal to 3. And satisfy this point. Determine this point satisfied or not. 0, 0 substitute in the first equation. 0 plus 0 less than 60 is the true. 0 is less than 60 is the true. 0, 0 substitute in second one. So 0 is greater than 0. Sorry, not 0, 0. Sorry, 1, 3. Sorry, 1, 3 substitute. So 1, 3, 4 plus 12 is less than 60. Correct or wrong? I can see. So 16 is less than 60 is true. First equation is true. Second equation C. Y 1, 3 for second equation. Y is 3. X is 2. Y is greater than 3 is greater than 2 also true. Right. Third point take. X3 is greater than 3 means problem will come. 1, 5 we can take. 1, 5 we can take. 1, 5 we can take. So 1, 5 means first equation is 4 plus 15 is also less than or equal to 60 is the true. 1, 5 take. 1, 5 take. Right, 1, 5 we can take, that is equal to 5 is greater than or equal to 2 is the true. 5 is greater than. Third point we can come 1, 5 for the third line. So 1 is greater than 3 is the false. 1 is greater than 3 is the false. Now 2 is point side. 1, 5 this point. 2 is point side, 1 is the opposite side. 2 is point side, 1 is opposite side. 2 is point side. This line is the point side. This line is the point side. This line is the point side. And this line also point side. So this line also point side. This line also point side. This line also point side. This line is the opposite to the point side. Opposite to the point side. 3 are coincide here only. 3 are coincide here only. Right. Dark make the shade. This part is make it as a dark shade. This part is make it as a dark shade. This part is make it as a dark shade. Right. This part is make it as a dark shade. Right, exactly correct. Exactly correct. 13th problem. Right, everyone go through the 14th problem. Right, please. Okay. Sure. No JE questions. These never come in JE. These questions never come JE. These questions is come means we crack. So that's why they can't give in JE. They can't give in JE. They can't give in JE. Everyone, you can be remembered. Can I? Right. 14th question. Everyone go through the 14th question. First, move towards 14th question. 3x plus 14th question. Move towards. Okay, na? Sequence and series till now in portion what you thought will come, sir. Then only sequence and series still now in portion that will come, sir. Sequence, series, functions, relations will come now for JE. So we have to complete it. So what we topic is completed, in that one sets will come, relations will come, functions will come. Functions is the second year, it will be covered. So it will become present is the what we have to topic for the online easy topics we are going to discuss. Okay, na? So when 17 they are going to open at the time the most JE topics we are going to start. Okay, na? Next topic is the trigonometry. Trigonometry is the definitely they will come. Right, 14th problem we can start. Everyone. 14th problem, everyone start. 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 150. X plus 4y is less than or equal to 80. X less than or equal to 15. Y greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0. Right. First, 17th is a Sunday, sir. Means 18, no problem. Sunday also they will open, no problem. What date is given the government, that day we can be open, college, definitely. Go through the problem, everyone. First to make the equations. First table, write down everyone. First table, x0, y is the 75. Y0, x is the 50. First table you can draw. Everyone, first table you can prepare. But I am writing the direct table. Don't write direct table. 15 not, sir, college. Government is decided at 17. They are telling 17. 15th or 17th, within 1 or 2 days they will give clarity. But definitely it will be open. Second table you can see. Second table you can be prepared, everyone. Second table you can prepare x, y. X0, y is 20. Y0, x is 80. This is x is equal to 15. Vertical line. Right. You can draw the figure, everyone. Draw the figure. Start, everyone. Draw the figure. 0, 10, 10 take. 10, 10, 10 you can take. 10 means problem will come 5, 5 take. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, up to 80 right now. Up to 80 right now. Up to 80 right now. Everyone write down up to 80. Up to 80 we should be write down. I will draw figure. Once again you can take up to 80 you can take. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. This is the x-axis. Y-axis, how many are? Y-axis is the up to 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, y-axis up to 50. Right, substitute everyone. X0, y75. X0, y75 also given among. Y75 also given. X0, y75, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. X0, y75, y0, x50. Join these two, everyone. Right, join these two. Okay, na? Next one, x0, y20, x0, y20, y0, 80. Right, everyone join these two lines. Join these two lines. Next one. What is the next one is given by x is greater than less than 15, horizontal line, vertical line. Right, x is equal to 15 is the vertical line. X is now three lines names you can write down. X less than or equal to 15. X less than or equal to 15. Okay, na? X less than or equal to 15. This equation is 80. Equation is x plus 4y less than or equal to 80. This equation is right up. This equation is 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 150. 0 point we can take. 0 point we should take. Should take 0 point. Now put 0, 0. Now put 0, 0. First equation put 0, 0. 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is less than 150 is true. Second one, 0 plus 0